In this video, I will tell the third verse of chapter 1, military inspection at the battlefield of Kurukshetra. This is the sloka that I am going to tell you now. This sloka was spoken when the armies of the Kauravas and the Pandavas were standing face to face. Duryodhana attracts the attention of his Guru Dronacharya and expresses his concerns and expectations to him. Bhagavad Gita chapter 1 verse 3, Pasyatam Pandu Putra Namacharya Mahatim Chamu Vyudam Drupad Putren Tva Shishena Dhimata. Whatever I am telling you, Sanjaya is telling all this to Dhritarashtra. I will not tell you this thing again and again because he is doing a live commentary of the war with a divine vision in front of Dhritarashtra. Let me tell you, Acharya. Here Acharya means Guru Dronacharya ji. You see the huge army of the sons of Pandu, which has been very skillfully and systematically arranged by your very intelligent disciples Dhrishtadyumna, the son of Drupada. Now let me try to explain it to you in its analytical meaning. The ultimate politicians means the visionary leader Duryodhana wanted to point out the mistake of the great Brahmin commander Dronacharya and tell him about his errors. Let me tell you that Arjuna's wife was Draupadi and Guru Dronacharya had some differences and political conflicts with Draupadi's fathers. King Drupada, due to some political reasons, as a result of Dronacharya dispute, King Drupada organized a great yagya. As a result of his great yagya, King Drupada got a boon in the form of a son who could put Guru Dronacharya to death. Guru Dronacharya was well aware of this boon that King Drupada's son Dhrishtadyumna would kill him on day. But King Drupada's son Dhrishtadyumna was handed over to Dronacharya to learn the art of war. According to earlier times, when we were educating someone, it was the responsibility and duty of the Guru to make him proficient in that education. Thus, while imparting education, Guru Dronacharya had no hesitations in telling all his military secrets to Dhrishtadyumna. Now, the biggest thing here is that Drupada's son Dhrishtadyumna went to the Pandavas' army after taking complete training of war from Dronacharya, and whatever war art Dhrishtadyumna had learned from Guru Dronacharya, he also planned the war on that basis. Against whom? Against Duryodhan. Against Duryodhan means against the Kauravas. Now Guru Dronacharya is with Duryodhan in the war, but his disciple Dhrishtadyumna is with the Pandavas, who know all the military secrets of Dronacharya. That is why Duryodhana is telling Dronacharya ji about his weakness and that he should be cautious in this war and should not compromise with anyone, no matter what happens. This proves that Duryodhana has clearly indicated that Gurudev, please do not show kindness and generosity towards your beloved disciples Pandavas, especially towards Arjuna and Dhrishtadyumna, because both of them were his very beloved and brilliant disciples. Duryodhana also warned him that showing generosity may lead to our defeat and destruction. Therefore, since he is your disciple, do not show any kindness to him under any circumstances. Thus, in this sloka, if my video has been of any benefits at all, then you know what to do. Thank you so much.